Hi, I'm Nick from zioxi. Here we are at ISE 2020. We're going to show you integrated furniture that's controlled over the web. So the product we're showing on the screen at the moment is what we call onView, and all of these products are on our stand. So essentially they are pieces of furniture that have a power integration or a device integration in them. What we've tried to do is allow users to genuinely control what they do with their devices remotely. So if you can imagine a university or a training center or anywhere where you've got multiple devices and you want to actually see where they are, see what they're doing, and see what the users are interfacing with. What I'm going to demonstrate now is a very simple thing of putting up a screen. So here we have a desk and the screen is actually currently submerged. What I'm going to do is ask for an action, monitor up, and over on our power up tables a screen will appear. The level of control can be very, very granular. We can allow individual users to have access to particular power, particular screens, particular networks, but all of the items on the stand have some connectivity with the web. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and please go to our website zioxi.co.uk for more info. Bye for now.